Hi everyone, and welcome to our physical distancing jewelry workshop. And today I wanted to show you how to make these really beautiful earrings. They're incredibly delicate, fringed with turquoise bead earrings, but I also have them available in a baby blush pink. You can purchase the kits online and then you're able to follow on step by step when I'm teaching this tutorial. Otherwise, please just be inspired by my designs and pick up any professional finishing tips. They can be purchased by clicking on Shop DIY Kits and then Shop DIY Video Kits. And I hope that you have fun with colour and have fun with creativity in a forced time of slowing down and of physical distancing. Thanks for dropping by. Let's get started making our earrings. So the ones that I'm wearing are the turquoise fringed Florentine drops. They're a little bit smaller than what I would normally wear, but I think they're a classic design and not everyone likes to wear big chandelier earrings like myself. I'm now going to show you how to make them step by step, and I'm going to create these in the pink. So if you're actually following along and you have one of the étalage kits, if you just place everything onto a mat and lay it out according to the design. So at the top we'll have an ear part, so it's a hook, it goes through the ear, it's brass, lead and nickel free. We're using then a 6mm Czech glass fire polished crystal bead. Beautiful brass stamping and Florentine design, and brass is the most eco of all metals, and I think it's really complementary for most skin colorings because of its warm honey patina. Then we've got 5 drops that we're adding to create the beautiful fringe, and they're Czech glass fire polished beads as well. To create the fringe we're using a head pin. Looks like a dressmaker's pin. It's got a base at the bottom to stop the beads falling off. We're obviously threading from the other end. It's not sharp. And then to link the smaller bead to the brass stamping and the ear part, we're using what we call an eye pin. So it's got a loop at one end. We're using a couple of different tools today. So we're using round nose pliers, and we'll be using some wire cutters. Okay, let's make a start. So we're starting from the bottom, we're creating the fringe, we're going to thread the bead on. So we're threading it from the bottom. Now we need to use approximately 1 centimeter of wire, so we need to cut the excess. So I'm working horizontally so I can see my bead, cutting the excess wire, and with my round nose pliers I'm going to form a loop. It's really important how we hold it palm facing up so we can fully rotate our wrist to make really beautiful lush loops. Tip of the wire, tip of the plier. We're not going to have it completely closed. And we're going to thread it through the middle hole in that Florentine. And we're threading it through from the front of the stamping to the back. How we can tell the front is that it has a raised surface. So I'm swapping hands, putting the bead in my non-dominant hand, using the cutter. We only want 1 centimeter of wire to work with. Form a loop, tip of the wire, tip of the plier. Close it. Next one, threading from the bottom of the bead. Swap to our non-dominant hand to hold it. Use the cutters to trim the excess wire. Tip of the wire, tip of the plier, rotate your wrist around. Then just bend it back a bit. So then when we create the loop, we're going to have a luscious round loop. Close it. Okay, we've got 2 more to go to create our fringe. Thread it on, swap hands to our non-dominant hand, trim the excess wire. So you only want 1 centimetre to work with. Palm facing up, tip of the wire, tip of the plier, rotate your wrist around, just break its neck so we can make a luscious loop. Thread it, close. The last one, thread the bead on, swap hands, work horizontally, trim the excess so you've got 1 centimetre to work with. Rotate your wrist around, just bend it back slightly so it's kind of you're breaking its neck. Thread it through front to back and close. So now we have our fringe. Gorgeous. Now using the eye pin, thread the bead on, cut the excess, form a loop, thread it through always from front to the back, close your work. Then to attach the hook, simply open the loop at the top, thread the hook on, make sure it's facing the right way and close it. And there you have your earring. They're gorgeous, aren't they? So it's a beautiful pair. And it's great to be creative at this time of physical distancing. I hope you've enjoyed the workshop. I have a couple of things to show you. If you buy a kit, you will receive some instructionals, step by step, how to make bead drops. So that is how to use your head pins, how to link beads, so how to use your eye pins. In addition to that, so you can measure 1 centimetre consistently. You've got a bookmark. On the back is a really handy ruler, so you can use that. That will also come with your kit. And because we're really passionate about beads and where they're made and how they're made, we have a booklet showing you different sorts of beads, and there's instructions on techniques and also some design inspiration. So we're all about sustainable style, so that's also included in your DIY purchase. But you don't have to purchase from us. Please be inspired by any of the projects that you see on our physical distancing workshops and pick up some professional finishing tips as well. Thanks for checking in. Stay safe. Bye.